What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm in here in the man cave with these 8 little demons. They had my man cave smelling a little funky, so I had to change out the bedding. They pooped everywhere, walked and crawled on poop. Taking care of these little things, it ain't easy. So today, I'm going to be wiping them off. I got me some warm water, rag, I'm not gonna put any soap on it, and a towel to dry them off. Just want to get them clean and get all that nastiness off of them and keep them so that way my man cave won't be all ruined when they get ready to go to their new home. So yeah, before I start this video of cleaning these little monkeys, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Cause boy, these things stink. Yeah, they stink, but I love them though. I done become attached to them. So let's get to work. They don't do nothing but sleep, pee, and poop. Look at them. Hold on, let me adjust my camera. Look at that. That's all they do. Sleep, pee, and poop. And whine like newborn babies. There we go. So I'm gonna take them out one by one and wipe them off and put them back so they can go back to sleep. The first one I'm gonna pick up is my baby. The one that I'm gonna keep. All she do is eat and sleep. And this the female right here. This is my keeper. Look at the eyes open already. Yeah, I think I got some good light in here. Do I? Let me fix the camera. There we go. Look at that. Eyes are open. And I started crawling a little better. Look how big she done got. Look at them muscles on her. You ready to take a bath, baby? Huh? Some of them be barking at me. I don't appreciate that though. They act like they want to do something to me. All I'm trying to do is take care of you with your little fat self. Get all in the little areas. I'm gonna have to clip these nails too. I ain't gonna do too much because I don't want them to get sick. Dry off right quick. Cause some of them have poop going all up their tail. She like that. Look at that. That's my keeper. A little tri-female. Put her over here in the corner. I put her up under the light so she can warm back up. There you go. Had somebody ask me about him already, the black. This the barker right here. Think he the runt of them all. You little mean something. Look at his face. The big head too. You off, boy. Got stuff all on your face. They sleep like they grown. Like they done been to work all day. Stop trying to eat my rag. They growing fast too. I think I'm gonna start weaning them off their mom next week when they get 3 weeks. Start feeding them mush. And I'm gonna deworm them. That way they get rid of those worms. All clean, boy. No poop. And you better not go in there and poop either. You hear me? Get up under that light. That's the biggest one all of them. He act like a big baby. All he wanna do is whine. Wish I could give him a real bath, but I can't. Yeah, they like this rag though. I think when I start feeding them that mush, they're gonna get even bigger. Those of y'all that don't know what mush is, it's dog food and milk replacement. Some people use water. I use the milk replacement. That way they can get used to being away from the mama's little tit. I raw feed my the daddy, and I was raw feeding the mama too until she got pregnant. It wasn't sitting well with her when she was about to have the baby, so I stopped feeding it to her. There you go. Come here, boy. It's another tri boy right here. This my homeboy's pup right here. I promised I was gonna give him one on the next litter. Look at that. Again, all you want to do is whine. Who you talking back to? See that? Don't even respect. Feed them, clean them, change their mess. I like doing this breeding stuff. I just hate getting attached to the puppies. Don't want to leave. Don't want them to leave. As long as they go into a good home, I'm cool with it. Listen there. That's a big boy right here. Like that. I think they like being rubbed down. Okay. I got you. Don't be trying to hide. You next. Another female. Look at that. I didn't think I was gonna have any tries. None of the colors came out when she had them, so I didn't think I was gonna have any tries, but all of them got tri markings. Wino. What you jumping for? You ain't going nowhere. Be still. Get this poop off of you. Don't like water. You're gonna be an outside dog. You keep on. Don't want to get no bath and get clean. So yeah, y'all. Next week they'll be 3 weeks old. Yeah, the mom's doing a good job of feeding them. And she let me know when she need a break, because she don't come in here. We let her outside to use the bathroom after feeding. She go right back in her little area. All right? Get them back down there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, you get over there. You play. It's another female. Cute little big head girl. This video ain't gonna be long. All I'm doing is feeding them. I meant cleaning them. That's about it. Let y'all know I take care of these pups. It's a second litter I done had. The first litter I had with my cousin. He's got his own kennel going on right now. I think he just got a Merle pocket. It's gonna be nice. I wish he'd start a YouTube channel and put all his dogs on there. He has some nice dogs, some nice pups too. His boy dog is the granddad to these pups right here. If y'all want to look his pups up, look his pups up on Facebook. His name's Darius Bryant. Hey, be still. There you go. All right, last one. He sleep on his back. Wake up. I think this one's gonna be a what they call him, lilac or a chocolate try. All of his markings ain't come in yet. I can see him coming in his face. I guess the older he get, they'll start showing. You never know till they get older. Yep, and they all going for sale except for 2. The one I told you I was keeping, the Tri Girl and the Tri Boy that's going to my homeboy. Unless he don't want him. But I'm quite sure he gonna take him. He done been over here to visit and marry and everything, so. Yeah, just give me a comment, if you know me, hit me up on Facebook Messenger or something like that, or I'll put my number down in the thing below, down below, so y'all can contact me and get the details on the pups. Somebody already called and asked about the black one, but they haven't gave me a for sure yay or nay if they want to purchase them or not. So they all still up for sale. I guess it's too early to tell if you want them or not. You want to see how they turn out by the time it's time for them to go. And they all will have papers. All of them gonna have papers. Hey, that's right. Little big head, boy. Look at that face. Look at that. If I can keep them all, I would. But I can't. That's all they do. But yeah, they all clean. They all do what babies do. After they get clean and fed, they go to sleep. But yeah, I'll be bringing y'all some more content on the pups, let y'all see their growth. And pretty soon we'll have some shots, then they can get out there and go around in the grass and stuff. I'm quite sure that's gonna be hilarious. I'm gonna let the dad see them for the first time maybe next week, maybe sooner. But yeah, I think that's about the end of this video. So hey, like, share, comment, and subscribe. And oh yeah, if y'all like workout apparel, my cousin Chest.Corey, Corey, he has his own clothing line. He's got sweatsuit, short sets, anything you can name. The polo shirts. Stay ready, Chest.Corey, Corey. It's chest out apparel. If you stay ready, you ain't gotta get ready. Know what I'm saying? I like it. Nice quality shirts, nice quality material in the sweatsuits and stuff like that, the shorts. Holler at him. I'll put this information down below too. So yeah, look at me, Grandma. I'm still waiting on you. Hit me up in them DMs. Holler at me now. One of y'all grandmas out there with that check. Yeah. And hit that like button and that subscribe button and that notification bell. Yeah. And comment down below. Let me know what y'all want to see, and we'll bring it to you. But y'all, thanks for watching my videos. Those that's already subscribed to the channel, I appreciate y'all love, man. And that's the end of this video. I'ma holler at y'all. Peace.